Where I'm from, my story walks out and takes it all in.
Let me take you to a place where the heavy humid heat of the hot sun beats out bricks of sweat onto my neck.
I want to take you to a place where bright red cherry tomatoes sprout from their vines, where children in a grassy backyard run around a tree, not much taller than themselves.
I want to take you to a place where the people are never smiling. They go home and transform into the warmest, kind-hearted city folk.
A place where the trees are tall and animals walk among humans. Stinky wild chickens and floral banana trees.
Where the sunshine hits the pavement and there are small feet that slam into the ground in excitement.
I want to take you to a place where the streets are cold, yet it's rare you cling to.
A place where I grew up. A place for fringe kids. A place filled with the sounds of video games and music.
Where you can't escape the loud sounds of a Ford train.
Fruits are free for everyone to pick. And money isn't the key to survival.
Where mothers in their yellow flowing sundresses holler at their kids to be careful.
A place on the edge of the town's main stretch. In an old town building. A big, open one, made for trucks or salt or something.
Where fathers are relaxing on chairs and sipping damp, condensing beers.
Normally people think for themselves, but homie, if you don't look like us, you need to bounce.
Where I'm from, boys tap their knees, giving life to their stories of their weekly chase down by cops from the 40th precinct.
한국에서 태어나서 한국인인데, but I grew up in New York, so I'm a New Yorker. 근데 뉴욕에서는 사람들이 나를 한국인으로 보고 I'm Korean seen as an American, but I'm not really either. Nihongo mo saberu kedo Nihonjin janakute, je parle français, mais je ne suis pas français. Ik spreek een beetje Nederlands, maar ik kom niet uit Nederlands. I'm all these things together. I'm just me, damn it. I'm just me.
Where I'm from, you wouldn't survive a day. You wouldn't know which streets not to walk down when it's dark out.
I'm from screams of anger, pleas of apology and mercy are yelled across tiny matchbox like rooms. I'm from subways and rails where the rats scurry and the odor of piss lingers in the air. Where I'm from
was just a means for me to get here, where I want to be. I'm all about my horizontal identities and communities. Vertical ones are secondary. There's family of blood, and there's family of choice.
Where I am from is not where I have lived. It is the realm of abstraction and unity of all creation. It is not a place of division and discrimination, but rather a state of solidarity and acceptance.